Next we may consider the next video. I don't know how far it will be next video. Actually we are just continuing after a minute. See, so the corresponding sides, I hope you have understood. AB and PQ, they are corresponding sides, and see the ratio of them, it was 1.5 by 3.0. You may ask me, why not? Why can't we take PQ by AB? Surely you can take, no problem. PQ by AB if you take, no, then other sides also you should take in that manner only. QR by BC. Just ulta actually, just the reciprocal. And all of them will be 2 centimeter. Here you had half, no? Then here it will be just reciprocal, 2 by 1. So now what happens is RS by CD equal to PS by AD. All of these will be equal to, when you simplify them with their, when you write its measurements and simplify them, all of them will be equal to 2. Okay, children? So, though you get half or 2, whatever it is, same ratio you are getting. But only thing is, when you take the ratio in the two figures of their sides, you must be very careful. You should take PQ by AB, then you should not take AD by PS. You can't do ulta, you can't take the ratio anyhow you like. No, you should take in an order. In the numerator, if you take the sides of this larger triangle, then in the denominator you have to take the sides of the smaller quadrilateral. Okay, so there is some order there. You have to be very, very careful with, you have to write with lot of concentration. Now similarly, you have observed now here the ratio of the sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. You have got here now. Similarly, now you have to see whether the other condition is there, because you have just written two polygons are similar if they have their corresponding angles are equal. They had written first, now we are seeing second here, that doesn't matter. Angle A is 105 degrees, angle P is 105 degrees here. So one angle of this quadrilateral is equal to one angle of that quadrilateral. B is 100 degrees, Q is 100 degrees. So see the name here A, B, C, D, here it is P, Q, R, S. If even the alphabets A and P, the vertices, they are called as the corresponding vertices. So angle A and angle P, they are the corresponding angles. Angle B and angle Q, they are the corresponding angles. They must be equal. You will have written there in case of polygons. So these are two polygons here. So the corresponding angles must be equal. Corresponding angles. So angle R is 70, angle C is 70 here. Angle S is 85, angle D is 85 here. So the corresponding angles of the two quadrilaterals are equal according to the condition what you have written or what you have just understood. That is all applied here. So these two figures, these two quadrilaterals ABCD and PQRS, they are having the ratio of their corresponding sides equal, and also the corresponding angles are also equal. So it is having both it is satisfying both the conditions of the polygons to be similar. So these two quadrilaterals are similar. Now come to the next figure. Here you see you have, please note it properly, you have got a square, and in the other one it is not a square. Just see properly. The opposite sides are 3.5 here in the second figure PQRS, and the other two opposite sides are 3, 3. Are they equal? They are not equal. But here 3, 3, 3, 3. You can, by looking at it only, you can say they are of different shapes. They are of different shapes. One is a square, the other one is a rectangle. But in these two are polygons. Two polygons having four sides, same number of sides, that is okay. But what has happened here? Angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle R and angle C, they are equal. S and D, they are equal. Okay, angles are equal. One condition is satisfied, but the other condition has not been satisfied. See, the ratio of all its four sides must be equal. Here you find two sides equal, 3 by 3, this 3 by 3, okay, these two sides ratios are equal. But what about the other two sides? This is 3.5, this is 3.5. 3.5 divided by 3. 3.5 divided by 3. Opposite sides ratios are equal, but still we don't agree that they are similar. We don't say that they are similar. Why? Because the ratio of all the corresponding sides must be equal. Only two sides, if they are equal, it's not enough. So the two conditions, out of the two conditions, one condition is satisfied in this, the other condition is not satisfied. So in order that two polygons are to be similar, they have to have both those conditions. The corresponding angles must be equal and the ratio of the corresponding sides must be equal. All four in this case. Now here only the opposite sides are, the ratios are equal. Angles may be equal, okay. The corresponding angles are equal, but the other condition is not satisfied properly. Therefore, these two figures are not similar. But so I am going to end it, because then we'll come to the next one. Okay.